Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can lock WhatsApp in VIVO. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter either Privacy or Security category depending on which VIVO model you have and what is your current PhoneTouch OS version as well. On mine, that is going to be in the Privacy section. Then go for the Privacy and App Encryption. Set up or input the privacy password, then go for the app encryption. Find the WhatsApp application in the list over here. Well, for some reason, in my case, the WhatsApp is not being displayed. Oh, yeah, obviously because I forgot to install the app. So let me quickly do that. Let's get back to the app encryption page real quick and finally lock the WhatsApp. So just turn on the toggle in front of it, and that means that from now on the WhatsApp app will require for you to enter the privacy password in order to, well, open it. So that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.